should try great grains.
So do you want to take them to the other side, and then I'll line these up on the floor, and then we can release them? All right, I'll take them.
We're gonna see which one Hambone chooses. Get after my own heart. Oh, it's 40.
No.
Oh, wow.
Great grains.
I think it was the addition of the dates and raisins that were in there.
There's a lot
It's a
of
healthy palate.
So do you think lightly frosted chocolate weakness?
Absolutely. Well,
Fruity Pebbles last?
oh.
Boulders.
He went proximity.
He didn't even finish his grains.
Does he like them?
He's eating the
Oh,
boulders
he-
before
he
the
is.
bones. He selectively picked all the boulders and left all the green bones on the plate.
Alright, moment of truth.
Fruity Pebbles. Do you think it would have made a difference if it was regular frosted versus lightly frosted?
No, but oh. Oh, it was over them. If there's one thing we can judge for certain, it's that he's a great nuts man.